In this video, I'm going to be going over the differences between gas lens kits and regular kits for TIG torches. Now, this applies to all TIG torches, but for this video, I'm going to be using a 17V series torch because that's what I have on hand. Now, let's just hop right into the differences. Now, you'll notice that a standard consumable set consists of a pink cup or cone, nozzle, it's called many things, a collet, which is a thing that you put the tungsten into, and a collet body, which not only holds the tungsten in place, but also allows the gas to flow out around the tungsten. Now, a standard collet body is just a single piece of machined brass or copper. I'm pretty sure it's brass, and it's got 4 holes in it, and that allows the gas to flow and create gas coverage around the tungsten and the molten puddle. Now, gas lens kits are much different. Instead of having 4 little portholes to allow the gas to cover the tungsten, instead of the 4 portholes like the standard collet body that allow the gas to cover the molten weld pool in the tungsten, a gas lens kit has a series of screens in it that actually help to kind of dissipate the gas a little better and create better gas coverage. Now, for the little experiments that I'm going to be running, I will be using 20 cubic feet an hour of gas at all times, pure argon. Now, with both setups set with the tungsten sticking out about 1/4 inch, which is a pretty standard stick out, nothing is incredibly different. I do notice that the puddle seems to be a little bit cleaner with the gas lens kit, but there are no real adverse effects to using the regular consumable kit as opposed to a gas lens kit. And that reflects in the welds. Both of them look very similar. I am doing a little bit low amperage welds. I'm just trying to not put a ton of heat into something, just trying to show the heat affected area and the shielding. However, it's when we get a longer tungsten stick out that a gas lens kit starts to make a difference. Now keep in mind that it's when we have a longer tungsten stick out that the gas lens kit starts to make a difference. Now, I still have the gas flow set at 20 cubic feet an hour, and I have about a 3/8 stick out, and I have about a 3/8 of an inch stick out for the standard consumable kit, and for the gas lens kit, it's actually more like a 1/2 inch. And you're going to see just the welds go down. It's pretty standard. It's low amperage stuff. However, the look of the finished product is really what counts. Now, neither of them did incredibly poorly, although I will say the gas lens kit did much better. The puddle with the gas lens kit was cleaner than it was with the standard consumable kit, and the weld was much shinier as an end result. There was more gas flow with a longer stick out. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. Just a few little tips to maybe help you out here. So gas lens kits... So by these tests, gas lens kits I think are universally a little more helpful than the standard consumable kits. Both of them have their places, and I use both frequently. However, I will probably be using a gas lens kit just because a little bit better shielding, and I can also turn down the gas flow a little bit, which is another benefit. So like you can see, neither one really did incredibly bad. However, I think gas lens kits are universally a little bit better than the standard consumable kits. I'm going to be using a gas lens kit just because I can get that better coverage, and you can also, with a gas lens kit, turn your gas shielding down, use the same stick out, and get the exact same gas coverage as the standard consumable kit with more gas flow, so they do help to save on gas. That's it for this video. Really hope you guys enjoyed. Just tried to make this quick. That's all from me. I'll see you guys next week.
I don't know what you want. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say